Okay, so this is the second part of the video, or it might be the first if this is where you're starting, but if you're having trouble, take and watch this. If you forgot yours at home, just take and look at this, pause where you need to, do it on a piece of paper. All right, here we go. I'm going to try not to give all the answers on the bottom. You can look at the bottom down here and see different answers. This has the other side's answers. They're not in order. Just see if you can find yours. If you don't find yours down there, you're probably doing it wrong. Okay, so the date is 10/16. Here we go. So Justin shoots a basket every 4 seconds. Brandon shoots a basket every 6. They begin at the same time. How many seconds will pass before they shoot a basket at the same time? This is LCM. So do what you need to do for LCM, and you should be fine on that one. Least common multiple. That should give you a hint. Least. Amy is making identical gift bags. Oh, gift bags or baskets to sell at a concert. She has 27 CDs and 45 books. What is the greatest number of gift bags she can make? Okay, so this is going to be GCM. Gold under the rainbow. 127. 145. Remember, this is the greatest common multiple. Greatest. Don't pick the least. Find your multiples and then go back. How many gift bags can she make? All right. When we are looking for equivalent fractions, there's 2 ways to do this. One, simplify. And then look at your answer. If both of them are simplified, they should be the same if they're equivalent. If they're not the same, they're not equivalent. Or make common denominators. Okay, so you're going to make common denominators. Some of these it's better for the common denominator, and some it's for simplifying. So I'm going to do one as an example, and then you can do the rest. So the first thing is I'm going to show you the common denominator. So this is 24, and I know 8 can get into 24. So 8 times 3 is 24, so I'm going to do the same thing on the top. So 21 24ths. Now, is those two the same? No. So this is a no. But let's do it the other way. Let's do the simplifying. All right, 7/8 is as simple as it can go. But 20 24ths is not. So we can reduce this. Let's see. Okay, so I'm back. So we have 7/8 and 20 24ths. We're going to simplify 20 24ths. We can divide by, let's see, 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and 6 times 4 is 24. So just kind of, look and think about it. And then sometimes it won't come that fast, but you can also use your multiplication table. So let's see. If 5 times 4 is 20 and 6 times 4 is 24, the common, I'm going to divide by 4. See how my thinking went through that? So that's kind of how you can think about this. So what times 4 is 25? What times 4 is 24? 6. All right, so this is 5 6, and that's 7/8. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So I showed you 2 different ways, the simplify way and the common denominator way. All right, depending on the fractions, you can pick either which would be easier. All right, now these ones, you're going to compare these. Morgan ran 3/8 and Bree ran 3 8/10. I'm sorry, Morgan ran 3 8/12 and Bree ran 3 8/10. Did they run the same distance? Well, you're going to compare them. Leave them in mixed numbers and just compare the fractions. So on these two, I'd probably reduce them to see if they're equivalent. All right. Okay, over here. Probably not going to make those common denominators. I'd probably simplify these again and compare them. On this one, I would probably simplify there. On this one here, probably simplify again. Simplify. All right. So I hope that helps. But make sure that you understand what is going on when you do these, right?